I've been to congresses where there may be a lot of people, but the rooms can still be empty. That's not what TAMC is all about. Here, people come, they attend, they enjoy, and we build on that. So I think the future is just absolutely glittered with gold.
As a person who goes to many, many conferences, I feel like this is a cutting edge. It's new things, it's things thought about differently.
This particular Congress is interesting in how professional the audiovisual aspect is. The preparation of the program, the scientific program committee, the way that the room is set up for the speakers, the flow of information, the videos, and the staff has been absolutely amazing.
I really believe that the colleagues who participated and who listened to the talks and watched live injections, that they could really take many useful tips and tricks for their daily practice.
I found that personally really exciting and interesting, and that I will take back to improve my practice.
It's a very different mentality from other conferences. It's got the right mix of education and the social element.
The amount of knowledge and the amount of international speaker and the amount of education that you transfer between you and your colleagues, the place and the hospitality of the organizers and the atmosphere.
Dubrovnik, it's an amazing city. It's a magnificent place to be here for a congress, for education, but also to have fun.
I feel it's a congress which is growing and growing with the support of our sponsors, and we're very proud of that.
You need to come to this congress. You're gonna absolutely leave with an incredible wealth of knowledge and also new friends from all over the world.
It's a new congress on the block that is very different to the other congresses in Europe, and I think it will be one of the main congresses, certainly the one that I will want to go to every year and block my calendar at the start of the year.
When I spoke to many of them, they were really happy to have attended this meeting. So I think congratulations to the organizing committee.
See you next year in October 22 in Dubrovnik.